Okay, so what we're about to watch is the kids are just got their instructions for their podcast. They are doing it over pros and cons of the witness protection program. They can either use it, make their podcast like facts, or they can pretend they were in the witness protection program and talk about their struggles. This was like a unit we did over like our identity. And the two questions that I kind of have as you watch through it is one, how not to get burnt out with instruction with these group projects. I noticed that I was running around the classroom a lot and kind of repeating some of the same questions. So maybe ways to save myself from having to go to each group so much so that I can still watch the entire group because I got really fixed on individuals. And then just instruction of how to use the app. So one instruction, and the second one is that I did have a student who's in the middle, in the pink, who I'll show later, who just had a really hard time wanting to do the project. She was stubborn and very, very reluctant, and I spent a lot of time trying to help her out, help her to understand, but it just wasn't flowing for her. So just maybe look at those two things. So, so they're working in their projects. So I'm over here now working with them. There's a whole other side of the class. So as you can see, I've already been working with this girl. So like right here is when I started working with the girl, and I keep talking to her, and so it's just trying to maybe help her understand the project a little better. I get her a podcast script to help her get started. Still a lot of things going on. I'm still talking with her. Still talking, and she's kind of just being very reluctant, and I'm trying my best to try and get her to do it, but it's just not happening. Still talking to her. See how like I'm moving around, like there's so much going on. I go back to her because, and kind of knowing like when is it? She's not getting it. She's not getting it. Cause see, these girls over here were kind of losing focus. I'm still talking to her. This is the instruction part. So that was kind of the instruction. Maybe finding more ways that we can save that burnout. Let's see. So then they're recording. This girl's still working by herself. I'm kind of running around. I spent a while helping this group right here. They lost their notes. I found out that later. So I spent a lot of time working with them too. So like there's two groups who really monopolized a lot of my time, which is fine because I think the other groups knew what they were doing, but still that's a lot going on, and if my mentor teacher hadn't been there. So as you can see, like I'm still talking to them. They finally get it, so which is great. But then you just like go to the very end, and my student who just did not want to do it is still, what's happening? She still ends up kind of doing it by herself, and like I think I've seen her do this in other classes, so I've kind of gotten the way that she works, but still we're just having to stare off right there. So just those tips, instruction and helping reluctant people to do these projects.